You have probably seen many family vlogs, so someone's routine, someone's travel, someone's shopping. But this vlog is different from all of those. This isn't just a lifestyle, it's the first day of a mission. A mission where a scholar, a deputy imam, an AI researcher, a calisthenics enthusiast, and a blockchain architect is setting out to rewire the world's governance system. If the world government in One Piece seems like just a story to you, if the worlds in Attack on Titan seem like the reality of the world to you, and if Naruto's cycle of hatred is visible to you in the conflicts of human history, then congratulations, you are in the right place. Because here we won't complain, here we will decode. My name is Muhammad. My background is from the mosque, but my vision is for the future. My father spent his life understanding and teaching the model of Masjid Nabawi. The mosque wasn't just a place for prayer, it was a community operating system. Today, technology is so advanced, there is AI, there is blockchain, yet why is the common human so helpless? Why do we only post and share while the system on the ground remains the same? Because we have a voice, but no execution power. Today you can post, but can you track your local area's funds? Can you challenge a corrupt decision within the system? The answer is no. That's why I am building a global AI decentralized governance system, a platform where transparency doesn't mean trust me, but show me. Where AI will provide solutions to community problems, and its account will be on the blockchain. On Tafkir-e-Afkar, I won't show you what the world sees, the final result. I will show you what no one shows, the process. How an idea is formed, how the script is written, how AI is made into a personal Jarvis, how funding pressure is handled, how a team is built. Yes, I won't show you my success, I'll show you my effort. This channel isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a shop for selling fake dreams. There's risk here, failure, and pressure. We won't sell hype, we will show discipline and real execution. This generation doesn't learn from lectures, it learns from stories. If you are frustrated with the system, if you want to build something rather than just commenting, then this channel is for you. Write day one in the comments and follow along. Because this isn't just content, this is our One Piece journey. Let's go.